Today in operations research we are going to see one of the important model, that is simulation. Let's see. Simulation. Simulation is a numerical solution method that seeks optimal alternatives through a trial and error process. మనం ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు చేస్తాము అంటే ఇట్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇన్వాల్వ్స్ ఇన్ అన్సర్టైనిటీ సిచ్యువేషన్స్, విచ్ మీన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఎ డిసిషన్ ఇన్ ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్. మనం ఒక సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఒక డెసిషన్ తీసుకోవాలి. దర్ ఆర్ వన్ ఆర్ మోర్ డెసిషన్ వేరియబుల్స్, ఒకటి లేదా ఇంకా అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ డెసిషన్ వేరియబుల్స్ అనేవి ఉండొచ్చు, కానీ బట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ ద అప్రోప్రియేట్ డెసిషన్ which will be suitable to our problem. That is known as simulation. Here the definition and the meaning is given. The simulation approach can be used to study almost any problem that involves uncertainty. As I told you that the simulation is more useful, which involves to study the problem and to find out the decision or to find out the solution for a ప్రాబ్లం అండర్ అన్సర్టైనిటీగా ఉన్న సిచ్యువేషన్స్లో కూడా మనం ఒక ప్రాబ్లమ్కి ఒక సొల్యూషన్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడమే సిమ్యులేషన్. ఇట్స్ మెయిన్లీ ఇది ఎక్కువ న్యూమరికల్ సొల్యూషన్స్లో ఉంటుంది. లెట్స్ సీ వన్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ విచ్ ఈస్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ సిమ్యులేషన్. నార్మల్లీ we will get in simulation random numbers will be given how to simulate, but here we are doing a sum which is based on hand computations, which means in this problem we won't get any random numbers, but we want to build up the random numbers by using the hand computations. First of all, let's see the question, and before attempting a question we must be aware of what the question is asked and what we have to solve. This is the main important thing what we have to do in the exam. Okay, let's see what the question is given. Customers arrive at a milk booth for the required service. Assume that inter-arrival and service time are constants. Here in this question, he has given that inter-arrival time and service time, which are constants. Arrival time is 1.5 minutes and service time is 4 minutes respectively. He is given simulate the system by hand computations for 14 minutes. He is asking to simulate the system for 14 minutes. Okay, in this sum he has given that inter-arrival time and service time, as well as he is asking us to simulate the system up to 14 minutes. And now the question what he asked is, what is the waiting time for per customer? He is asking waiting time for customer, and as well as he asking the percentage idle time for the facility. Okay, now let's see the answer now. See, here we got a solution of first customer. Already he has given us to assume that the system starts at t is equals to 0. That means first of all, when customer arrives the milk booth, there the customer arrives at the service center. That means the first customer arrival time will be taken as t is equals to 0. Now his departure time after getting service is 4 minutes. Why? Because in the question he already given that service time is 14 minutes. So here we are getting that customer arrived at 0 at t is equals to 0, and he took service for 4 minutes. He will be served for 4 minutes. Then his arrival time plus his service time is 4 minutes. Now second customer arrives the system at t is equals to 1.5 minutes. Okay, because here in the question he has given that inter-arrival time is 1.5 minutes. So here the customer, second customer arrives at t is equals to 1.5 minutes. Now how much time this customer wanted to be wait? How much time the second customer wanted to wait? He has to wait up to the service time what he has given in the question. వాడికి సర్వీస్ తీసుకోవడానికి ఎంత టైం అవుతుంది ప్లస్ మైనస్ హౌ మచ్ టైమ్ హీ హాస్ టేకెన్ టు కమ్ టు ద సర్వీస్. వాడు వచ్చేసరికి ఎంత టైం అయ్యింది, 1.5 minutes. అంటే ఫస్ట్ కస్టమర్ కన్నా 1.5 minutes లేట్గా వచ్చాడు కాబట్టి ఈ సర్వీస్ టైంలోంచి వీడు వచ్చిన అరైవల్ టైం అనేది సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఆఫ్టర్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ ద second customer's arrival time from the service time, we will get how much time the second customer has to wait. Here the second customer has to wait up to 2.5 minutes. Okay, let's see for third customer. Here the third customer arrives at 3 minutes. How? ఎందుకు 3 minutes అంటే సెకండ్ కస్టమర్ 1.5 minutesకి అరైవ్ అయినప్పుడు సెకండ్ కస్టమర్ నుంచి థర్డ్ కస్టమర్ రావడానికి ఇంకొక 1.5 minutes అవుతుంది. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ ది థర్డ్ కస్టమర్ ఈజ్ వెయిటింగ్ అప్ టు 3 minutes. ఓకే, now how much time the third customer must be wait means the service time taken for the first two customers and the time at which time the third customer arrived must be subtracted. The arrival time of the third customer will be subtracted from the first two customers service time. That is 8 minus 3 is equals to 5 minutes. That means third customer has to wait up to 5 minutes. Now fourth customer arrives at 4.5 minutes and the fourth customer has to wait up to 7.5 minutes. Why? Because when fourth customer comes, already there are 3 customers in the queue in the system. So he has to wait the service time of the 3 customers. 3 means for each customer the service time is 4 minutes. Then there are already 3 customers in the system. So 3 into 4, 12 minutes. From that service time we have to subtract the arrival time of the fourth customer. By subtracting the arrival time of fourth customer from the 3 customer service time, we will get the fourth customer's waiting time. Okay, now while coming to fifth customer, he is coming at 6 minutes and he has to wait for 14 minus 6 is equals to 8 minutes. Why here we got 14 minutes means let's have a look over this. This fifth customer wanted to wait up to 4 customers getting served. If 4 customers got served means it takes 16 minutes. But in the question he asked us, see the question. In the question he asked us to simulate the system for 14 minutes. So though it takes 16 minutes for the service time, we are simulating the system for 14 minutes. So here we are taking 14. Okay, now see here 14 minus fifth customer arrival time means we have to subtract the fifth customer arrival time from the 14 minutes. Then fifth customer has to wait for 8 minutes. In the same way we will do for 6th customer, 7th customer and 8th customer and for 9 customers and again for 10th customer. Here we can have a doubt why we are doing up to 10th customers only, why we can't take for 11th customers, why we won't take for why you are not going to 11th customer means here how much time the 10th customer has to wait, 0.5 minutes. Okay, here we can see the arrival time of the 10th customer is 13.5 minutes. If 11th customer arrives means he will take 15 minutes. Okay, but in the question he asked us to simulate only for 14 minutes. So here we are not going to 11th customer, we are stopping at 10th customer. Okay, now let's see. From this simulation table it is clear that average waiting time, first of all we have doubt how much time each customer has to wait. Average time for 10 customers, average time for 10 customers is, we have to add all the waiting times from second customer to 10th customer. See 2.5, 5, 7.5 plus 8 plus 6.5 plus 5 plus 3.5 plus 2 and plus 0.5. These all will be divided by 10. That means 40.5 divided by 10. 40.5 divided by 10 is equals to 4.05. This is the average waiting time for customer. Now see, average waiting time for 9 customers who are waiting for service. ఎవరైతే సర్వీస్ కోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారో, అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ కస్టమర్ ఎప్పుడు వైల్ హీ ఈజ్ అరైవింగ్ ద సిస్టమ్, హీ అరైవ్స్ ద సిస్టమ్ at t is equals to 0, then there is no waiting time for first customer for taking the service. Then we have to calculate the waiting time for only for 9 customers. That's why we are dividing this average 40.5 with 9. Then we'll get 4.5. That means each customer, 9 customers, in 9 customers each customer has to wait up to 4.5 minutes. But the average service time is 4 minutes. Already in the question he is given that average service time is 14 minutes. So what we do here is, but the average service time is 4 minutes, but here we got average waiting time is 4.5 minutes, which is this time is less than average waiting time. So here the system will not be in a idle position. That means here the percentage of idle time for service is 0%. The system will not wait. అంటే ఐడల్గా ఉండే స్కోప్ అనేది సిస్టమ్కి లేదు. ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి ఇట్ వాంటెడ్ టు బి సర్వ్డ్ ఫర్ ద కస్టమర్ one by one immediately. There is no waiting time. And that's all for today. Thank you.